to get the camera situated. So Steve,
What's up, bro?
we're talking about maybe
What's up, Evil Mercy?
going to Guam and Saipan,
G-U-A-M.
and then from there maybe heading where?
South Africa.
South Africa.
Better bring your passport, bro.
Oh, of course. Now,
I
do they
this.
actually have South African passports? I mean, can you have to have one to get in?
No, I mean, I think I'm 0.1% African, so I should be able to get in.
Yeah, which is get in automatically.
You're like 12%, so you should be able to get in.
Automatically, right in the door.
You learn whenever you're traveling with James to bring your passport
That's right.
and another set of clothes or a credit card to buy clothes.
Buy more clothes, which
don't
is
know.
my way to do it.
Well, where you're going.
I have a whole closet full of the almost identical same shirt.
We're heading to Church's Chicken.
Church's Chicken.
Get some chicken. We just saw Evil Mercy being Grandpa.
That's right, doing my thing.
It's a little Skyly Miley. So now we're gonna go Church's Chicken.
Hey, have you showed everyone your wheels yet?
No, we gotta
Oh,
get. That sun's going down. We have to get like.
Somewhere where the sun will hit it?
Yeah, we have to get like down by Quick Trip or something.
Actually, it's just behind the clouds.
Oh, it is?
Yeah. It's not down, it's just behind the clouds. Hey, isn't this a school zone?
Yeah. Oops. Sorry, Oscar.
I'm gonna teach him how to drive.
I don't even know where Church's is.
Make it right. Here or the next light.
Is it down there by QT?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go down to Moro. I wish the sun wasn't behind the clouds.
It'll pop out.
Because when those,
It's popping out right now, actually. Look.
when those, that sun hits those wheels,
Yeah.
it's like a
magical.
glitter bomb.
It's magical.
It's like a. Oh, there's a train. Look at this. Get this. There's a train,
Danger.
but the arm,
Danger.
there's no arms.
Show you what not to do.
Where's the train at?
Oh, see
Rear K-band.
Oh. Oh.
Unless. Oh, watch out! That's where my train
it's just
horn.
The lights are out.
That's where my train horn would come in handy.
That's funny.
Get up behind people when they're going across. Oh, see, the sun's out.
Sun's out, guns out. Oh, I
Yeah.
knew we was gonna break around here.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, baby. I knew we got on this road. Oh yeah.
Now I'm blind.
We gotta get the Sand Springs PD to put their police lights on it and see how they look. When you take a red
And a blue
light,
right.
put it on purple glitter. It's even
It makes bond.
better. I haven't been pulled over
Since you put the purple wheels on.
Purple wheels on.
So they're
I think
good
it's about
luck.
Time.
That's right.
About time to get pulled over.
Well, you keep driving the way you're driving. It'll happen.
Gotta find like a nice little spot here.
K-band.
Oh yeah, this is it. We'll go to CVS and we will. I shall show you what they look like.
Perfect timing.
Okay, now let's get out. Here, I'll take the camera. Glitter bomb. Look at that.
Would you look at that? Oh my God!
Look at that.
Look at all that diesel.
It's like the diesel bedazzle in the shazzle. Look real nice, Jimmy.
I love it. I like it. I love
Would
it.
you look at that? Would you just look at it?
Hey,
What up, guys?
if I give you $20, you let me, my boy take a picture in your seat?
You can give me $0 and he can get in my car and take a picture.
You don't mind?
Not at all.
Let him get out here, let you take a picture.
We got a kid likes a Lamborghini. Imagine that.
Why, these guys want to fight?
He said he wanted to give me $20 to let him sit in my lap in the car, and I was like, no, man, that's weird. You can get in it, man. I said, that's weird. I'm not letting you sit in my lap.
Well, look at that, Bub. That's pretty awesome, huh? Hang on, let me get a picture of you. Where are y'all from? You don't see too many of those around here.
Bixby, Houston, Sand Springs.
Oh, really?
What's your name, dude? Hayden.
Kate.
Caden. Nice to meet you, buddy. We were filming for my YouTube channel, so maybe you'll be in it.
Bob, give me a thumbs up. We'll get right here, okay? Stay right there.
What's your
it's
YouTube
Lambro
channel
Steve.
name?
What's that?
What's your channel name?
It's called Lambro Steve. Yeah.
Bob, give me another thumbs up. There you go. Awesome. Thank you, guys. I really appreciate it.
Hey, give us some gas. Get in there.
Here,
Give us some gas.
I'll hit it. You can listen to it.
Listen to it. Hey, listen. No, there you go.
Later, Caden. Go follow me on YouTube, Lambro Steve.
Lambro Steve, okay? Thank
Later,
you very
guys.
much.
Yep, see ya.
Lambro Steve.
Lambro Steve.
Making dreams come true.
Making dreams come true every day in Sand Springs,
The kid-
Oklahoma.
The kid will never be the same.
He'll never be the same.
He's already thinking. He's plotting. How? How can I get one of those cars?
I must have a Lamborghini.
What must I do?
Guy blocks me in and says, "Can I please get in your car and sit in your lap while you take a picture?" And I was like, "Bro, that's weird." He goes, "Actually," he said, "Can my kid take a picture? Take a picture of your car?"
I thought we was getting in a fight. I
Yeah.
was already clearing my pockets out.
Oh, James done threw his stuff down, threw his wallet out, everything. Where's Churches?
Go here. I'll get it. Go through the light, and then actually just
Go down there by Rip Crib.
Yeah, it's right
Oh, you're
next
talking
door.
about Charlie's.
What I said Charlie's Chicken. What'd you
You
say?
say Churches, man. I thought we was gonna.
No, I said you need to go to church.
Oh, take.
You need some Jesus.
need some.
Or Muhammad or something. You need something.
Or Muhammad.
Yeah.
I know where it's at. We're going to Charlie's Chicken. I know where that's at. That's a little different. That's a little different.
I like it. I love it. I want some more.
There's
of it.
Charlie's.
I can't believe your little wing is still on this car.
I know the freaking Big Wang Gang.
You gotta go around, up the hill, and back around.
Eddie and the Porsche crew inducted me into the Big
Oh,
Wang
these
Gang.
kids. You're gonna make some dreams come true.
Like, oh my
It's-
God.
Get their phones ready. That's Lambro Steve.
Lambro Steve on YouTube, buddy. Lambro Steve.
Shameless. Shameless.
Follow my channel. I need subscribers.
Need more than subscribers. Needs a doctor. Veterinarian, something.
We was getting loose right there. Oh no, got a text message.
This is it. Charlie's.
John said give it a day before you hammer on them brakes. Like, nah. I think I'll just not give it a day if that's okay. Those kids were freaking out.
Oh, yeah. Well, just
He was
think
like-
if we were their age
Oh, dude.
and somebody come up in a freaking bright green Lamborghini with purple wheels,
Yeah.
revving it up, we'd be having us a straight heart attack.
Yeah. It maybe even a gay heart attack.
Well, you took it too far. Let's go get us some chicken.
Chicken time. We'll be back. No food vlog. We're not Damon.
See the green. All right, Steve.
Charlie's chicken's over. Look at this
Yeah,
guy. Wake up, look at me.
That's helping.
He jumped.
That's helping me process the food.
He was like, I'm getting out of the fucking freaking road.
Age appropriate.
Sorry.
Look, you gotta watch what you say when you're on YouTube.
I know.
And of course, I don't cuss at all. Not a lick. Right, Steve?
Right. No, hardly at all.
Hardly.
Hardly. All right, so it's on to the police station.
Yeah. I'm not even trying to get their camera out. What are you doing? Slow down.
I am
Lambro Steve.
I'm not gonna do donuts in front of the police station.
Oh, don't know why not.
But
Everybody knows cops love donuts.
that's what we should do is do.
Hey, you guys want some donuts?
Hey, you guys want some donuts?
Woo!
Hey, you guys don't mind if I do some donuts out in the front of the police station? I mean, I know you guys love donuts, so I'm just trying to hook you up,
That's right.
hook your po-pos up.
Steve, you wouldn't happen to know where the police station is in Sand Springs, would you?
I've been there a couple times. Here, let me have that. We're gonna.
What'd you do?
It was just
Wobbling?
All right, here it is.
Oh, they're even standing out here waiting on us. All right.
Ask them if they want some donuts.
Yeah.
Okay, go in there. Dang it, that one's going in.
No, we're right.
God dang it, they're all running out.
Chickens. All right.
Let's rip some. Oh shoot, I was running up to
Let's rip some
a green
donuts.
light, hitting the brakes.
So what's that guy on? Hey, I guarantee you I can get him to chase us. No revs, no nothing. Ah!
We pulled up to a green light, and I was going so slow that it turned red while we were sitting there. But it must
Go
be
get my
shift
car.
change. It is. It must be shift change. Like,
Is it 6 o'clock?
no, it's 8:20. What?
No, shift change is at 6 o'clock. Trust me, I know. I know their schedule. You go ripping around 6 o'clock, you got to
The
make.
whole team was there, though.
Yeah. Let's see
What
how long it
about
takes them to whip out their phones. Come on, boys. Oh, I'm disappointed. I'm not saying they're gay.
But they did not take a picture of a Lamborghini. Something wrong with you, boy? Girls take a picture of that old woman back there. Charlie's was like getting it.
Oh, yeah, we
She
should have
said,
filmed
Do
that.
not tell me you guys are about to get in that there Lamborghini. I said, man, that's not a Lamborghini.
That's a
That's a
Lamborghini.
Ferrari. Just kidding. It wouldn't be driving if it was.
Yeah, be parked in the garage somewhere.
There we go. Woo! I swear to God, this car throws hats out the back.
Oh.
The big Wang gang. We just went a little bit over the speed limit in front of the Sand Springs High School.
You mean Mexico?
Yeah, Sand Springs Mexican High School.
Love it, man.
Thanks.
You should hear that. Oh, yeah, I felt her slide a little bit on
Did you
that
feel
one.
that?
Yeah. These new tires?
Yeah,
Oh.
brand new.
That woman raking her rocks.
She looked at us. She's like, I do not want a loud engine interrupting me while I'm breaking my rocks. You boys shut that down. It's
I
like,
love this sign.
oh yeah.
Home sweet
Boys
home.
better book it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
We have arrived.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Here we go. I'm gonna run right up that motorcycle bouquet. Mr. Motorcycle. I guess I can park.
Park it right on that dog's head.
Yeah. Move it, doggy. Ooh, doggy. What?
Hey, you're supposed to eat strangers. What are you doing?
Are you talking? He's sitting there talking. He's like,
Talking when you should be listening. Oh, well, we didn't get arrested.
no arrestment yet.
Now it's time to deliver the food.
Time to deliver Nita her Church's Charlie's chicken.
Everybody wants to know why their gravy's on top of their mashed potatoes or their mashed potatoes on top of their gravy. I'll say, well, Steve is driving.
We were in a Lambo. What was I supposed to do? The gate's open. This is not a secure facility.
Yeah, what the hell?
This is not secure. And Bam Bam's gone. I'm so sad.
Yeah, should be back.
Bam Bam may or may not be back, but we will be back. Okay, folks, we've made it back to Jimmy's house, and it's nighttime. And we thought it'd be cool to, we haven't done this yet, but we're gonna pull Lambo out to the pool. We gotta be like on the edge.
Yeah, you can still get that much.
Oh crap. I thought my wheel was, oh, the wheel is about to go in on the other side, huh?
Yeah, the other side really tight.
Scout.
Oh yeah, we still got a couple inches though.
All right, girls, back up.
Hi.
See, I told you.
I got nothing unless you say boys and girls.
Boys and girls, back up.
Look at the glitter on those. I'll put that light on there.
Yeah.
Nobody knows.
Yeah, that's pretty cool right there.
Oh yeah.
Because I did. And
Yeah, you guys go upstairs.
I got my baby.
Here we go, Jimmy.
All right.
I am back. We have repositioned the Huracan. And then here comes the Mercy. Now this is cold. Oh, look at them Lambo symbols on the ground. One little detail you guys got to check out. A little purple under there. Never hurt nobody. All right, here he comes. Whoa, hold up. Hold up. That's good. That's pretty dang close right there. That's like hoods in the water, peoples. That's one heck of a shot right here. Okay, homies, we're back. We're up top. We thrown the Lambos just on the edge. I think pool party this summer is going to put Lambos and exotics all the way around, right, James? That's right. Evil Merce, he knows.
He's a homie.
Now this right here is kind of cool. Tom Sawyer. 'Cause you can just get. No one's jumping. We'll just open it up so I can shove them off.
Oh, they ain't jumping. We're shoving off.
No.
Hi. This one right here, Scout, she's going over the edge. Just kidding. All right, so.
I'm his homie. He's a homie.
All right, get back. We're gonna close it.
Hey, can you show
Nita's
my
freaking
face? At least.
What's your name?
Sawyer.
Sawyer is the man.
I can't do this.
There you go.
The Scout is a lady.
Scout's a lady. She apparently kills mockingbirds.
That's a lie.
That's a thing she does.
That's a lie.
She kills mockingbirds. Where'd you go, Jimmy?
I do not.
So,
You're so stupid.
we gotta get ahead to the airport to pick up Junior's bro. So we're gonna try to go, really fast to get him. I think I've got 35 minutes to get there, and it's about a 20-minute drive, so I don't have to leave for about another 45 minutes. So I'll leave about 4 minutes before it's time to pick him up. But let's check out the lighting on the back of these. Let's look at it from down here. So I've got the purple LEDs pimped out. I need to turn not the volume, but turn it up so you can see it more. Got this here sweet remote. See what it does.
Oh, yeah, there you go.
There we go.
You gotta back up.
Let's kill this light. There you go, baby. It's purple for the purple wheels, which look blue.
Does look bad to the bone.
Now the only thing we need is some hot chicks and bikinis. Bring them on. Tomorrow the party starts, homies. We'll be back.
Okay.